I wanted to create great thumbnails for my YouTube videos, but sadly I didn't have any computers and laptop. So that is what I was exactly thinking at the beginning of my YouTube journey. And if you are also in this same kind of situation, then don't worry my friend. Because in this video, I am going to show you how you can also make professional thumbnail on your mobile phone by using this free app. I am going to teach you the step-by-step process from the zero level to the professional level, and also I will be sharing some top tips and tricks that I am using right now for making professional level of thumbnail. So make sure you watch the full video to understand the process completely. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's move into our mobile screen. Okay guys, let's begin the process of thumbnail making. For editing, I will be using Picsart app. I have been using this app since the beginning of my YouTube journey, and it is also very easy and simple to use this app. So after opening the Picsart app, you have to click to this plus option. So after clicking the plus option, there are various options like this: photos, videos, draw and color and templates. We have to go to the templates option. After that, you can see here popular sizes, and below the popular sizes there are square, portrait and story, Facebook, like this. And simply after scrolling here, you can also get YouTube option. This option is for the YouTube thumbnails. After clicking to this option, you will get lots of attractive templates for your YouTube thumbnail. Simply scroll and choose which one you find more attractive and beautiful. In this process, I will be using this background for making our thumbnail. Now let's talk about the first thing that will help you to make your thumbnail look more professional and more attractive, and that is obviously text. So text are the most powerful element in our thumbnail. So that's why we should make our text more attractive and more clear and easy to understand. So right now I am going to show you the exact steps that will help you to make your text look more attractive and more clear. So as you can see, I have written the text on my thumbnail and it is looking very simple and ordinary. Now here is what you can do to make your text look more attractive. Simply click on that shape button and from here select the rectangle. Cover the whole text by that shape. Adjust the shape of the object equal to the text. Now click here and from here you can move up the layer of the text, and after moving the text up it will look like this. After that you can select the color option from here, then you can choose any color you want. So this is how you can add a beautiful background for your text, and after doing that your text will look more attractive and more clear. You can see the difference of a text with a background and text without a background. So it is 100% sure that by using this idea, you can make your thumbnail look more professional and more attractive. Now time for the second important thing. In this second idea, I am going to talk about how you can also make your photos from normal quality to HD quality. So this is an image with a normal quality. Now what you can do here is select the shadow. After clicking on the shadow, adjust the angle of the shadow. Adjust both the vertical and horizontal angle to 0. Now decrease the blur level and increase the opacity level. After applying suitable shadow, your picture will look like this. This is how shadow will help you to improve the quality of your image. And you can apply this idea to everything. It doesn't work for image only. You can apply shadow to the text, border, stickers and extra object as well. Now let's move to our third idea. The third idea is all about layer masking. And if you understand this idea and use it on your thumbnail, then it is sure that your thumbnail will look more professional and more attractive. For example, I need to add an extra image on this thumbnail. After adding the extra image, the thumbnail look like this. The extra image is in the front side and my picture is on the back side. And as you can see, the extra image is blocking the view of my backside photos. So here what I will do is open the layer option again and move the layer of the picture up, and after that the image will look like this. So this is what is known as layer masking. You can move the layers up and down and you can make the pictures look like this, front side and the back side. So this is how you can make your thumbnail look more professional and more attractive. These are the 3 best tips and tricks that every pro editor use in their YouTube channel for making thumbnails. I hope you guys have understand the process completely. If you use these 3 ideas, then I'm 100% sure that you will start getting more views on your YouTube channel. So from now, start making your thumbnail by using these 3 ideas, and make sure you subscribe the channel and share this video to your YouTuber friends and family